All right, guys, I'm going to show you quickly how you can turn any smartphone into a run and gun video rig. Now, what I'm starting with is the iPhone 14 Pro Max, but this will work with literally any phone. Now, the cage that you see that the iPhone 14 Pro Max is in is the cage from SmallRig. Now, this is going to be like your media cage that allows you to connect camera lenses to this and also mount additional accessories, including cold shoe mounts. There are some quarter 20s on here as well. One of the things that I did also add to this is the Hawk Lock. That's this little piece that you see right here. And I have the receiver on the SmallRig desktop tripod. Now, the easy way to set this up is these are just going to connect. These are going to just connect just like that. They just slot together, as you guys can see. So if you're using your phone in portrait or in landscape, it's totally up to you, but you will have that flexibility. And you also have this quick release that allows you to easily take the phone off of the tripod and remount it like so. Now, once we expand the tripod, you guys will kind of get the idea of how I'm using this. So let's say I wanted to set this up for some some portrait shots. I could just set up the phone like so. And if I wanted to swap this over and use this in landscape, then all I would have to do is adjust the tripod. So very simple setup, guys. This is going to be a very easy game changer for a lot of people. All you need is these basic components to get started. And again, you can do this with literally any smartphone out there on the market. This is just the way I'm currently using it. But like I said, just take your time, build your kit, find things that are going to work for you, and you will be rewarded. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video.